Hello, my name
Today
is
we will look
at some practical dumpling wrap. The first and simplest pack. Fold it in half and pinch. Children learn how to make dumplings. The package method below is similar to this. Fold it in half and pinch it. Make a lace with your index finger and thumb. The two methods are too similar. Let's call it a package. The second packaging method, also a deformation of the previous. After folding in half, close the two ends. It's a bit like wrapping wontons. The third is the most common family package method. Have many people learned this method? Wrapped dumplings can be made. The one in front can only be placed flat. The fourth package one more method step than the third package same method. As before. Then turn round in the middle. Exactly the same later. It comes out as an S-shaped dumpling. The fifth approach is simple. Close in the middle. Pinch to the right. Pinch on the left. One fold on each side. Very similar to the family bag method. Based on this dumpling, add 2 folds on each side. It is our 6th package method. Seventh. It's how we pack fried very delicate water dumplings. The 8th is the fastest way to make dumplings. Some fit. Squeeze in the middle. Just wrap, and the stuffing can also be packed. What about this? You can boil it to make dumplings. What about the next suitable for steamed dumplings? The Jiaozi type of sugar triangle that I often ate as a child. Fold the edges up with 3 fingers first. Adjust the side length. After finding the center, pinch up the sides. After becoming you can pinch it however you want. After packing, 3 sides are the same very symmetrical. Dumplings with 3 By the sides. Way, pinch a 4-sided one. Same method. Find the center. Then fix. This is the 10th type. The 10th wrapping method is a deformation the triangle. After finding the pinch center, up the middle. Then pinch the 2 adjacent sides together. Three round pockets appear on it. It just so happens that you can put veg. So far, they are all relatively easy. There are more wrapping folds at the back. The 12th bag method is the willow. I used this method to make a beef bun. Twist left, twist it right, and it will be wrapped up. th package method. At the beginning, I used buns. When it's about to be packed, then put the rest of the dough together and seal it. It comes out in the shape of shrimp dumplings. What about this? The dough should be thinner. 14th package method. The skin is folded on one side only. This dumpling fold is tapped parallel. This dumpling can be placed sideways in the pot to make fried dumplings. What about the last can be used to make fried dumplings? 15th package method. Actually a scaled down version of a roll the dumpling skin into an oval shape. The corners in then first. A side appears. Push this edge up with your thumb and fingernail. Then pinch to death. Repeat operation. Package method. It is also the last package method. Very similar to before. Wrap a circle into pieces of dough. Then the big fold back. What about this round sun I would dumpling? Use a smaller dough. Kinds of dumplings. Let's review. The first one is the package without faults at all, and then 2 of his transformations. The third is the family package that can be made, and then 1 of his transformation dumplings. Next are dumplings with 1 fold on each the basis side. Of these dumplings with little pleats. There is also a more delicate water-fried bag method. The triangle. Childhood memories. 1 more side makes a quadrilateral. This is a distortion of the Tang triangle. Further down is the willow leaf dumplings with more pleats. Then there's the chive box scaled down. Finally, the sun dumplings. 16 kinds of dumplings. Take a family photo. This year's spring festival is not so I can't easy. Go home for I wish you an early reunion with your family. And thank you for watching. See you next time.